Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or discussing with you VideoCash app review. So, the VideoCash app here is a mobile app that combines short-form video content with a reward system. Now, according to its official description, users can watch videos, upload their own content, complete simple tasks, and earn reward points through the app. Now, that's according to them. Now, it's available on Android through the Google Play Store and is designed for both content creators and viewers. Now, the app includes several features such as personalized video feed, the ability to upload and share videos, and a referral program. Now, and also a reward system, so users can earn points by watching videos, completing in-app tasks, and inviting friends to join. Now, the official terms also state that rewards come from completing eligible activities within the app, and available rewards may vary over time. Now, VideoCash here is free to download and use, so there is no upfront purchase price or subscription fee listed on its Google Play Store page. Instead, users create an account and begin using the available features immediately after installation. Now, how do you use the app here? Now, in this case, the first thing you want to do is you want to download the app. Now, again, like what I said, you can download this from the Google Play Store. And after downloading VideoCash from the Google Play Store, create an account, sign in if you already have one. And once logged in, you can browse and watch videos, upload your own content, complete available tasks, and check your rewards balance within the app. Now, if you choose to invite friends, you can use the referral feature provided in your account. As you complete eligible activities, reward points are added to your account according to the app's rules. Now, the main interface includes a video feed for discovering content, tools or for recording or uploading videos, a reward section where you can view your points, an account page for managing your profile and referrals. The app also includes support and settings pages where users can manage their accounts and access additional information. Now, overall here, VideoCash is a rewards-based video app that lets users watch and share short form or short videos while participating in various app activities that earn reward points according to them. It can be downloaded for free, and all of this or all of its main features are accessible after creating an account. But that's about it. So for this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.